Welcome back, Earl Entertainment, baby. We're out. Welcome back to Earl Entertainment. Boy, I got a treat for you tonight. That's something I've been looking forward to for about a week. We're going to be taking a nighttime drive in this 2020 Challenger Hellcat, and I've got a surprise for you guys. You're going to have to stick around to find out. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I think we got like 200 subscribers. We're still a small channel. We're trying to grow. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. It's going to be a good night. All right, guys, we're off. Plan right now, we're going to pick up Nikki B. Gonna have take a fun little ride, and I got to get a couple things at the grocery store. So no better way to take care of errands than to take the cat out for a ride. So have fun. Should be some good footage. I'm gonna hold off on showing you guys what today's surprise is until we get Nick with us. Boy, it's gonna be neat. Stay tuned. As you probably saw on that back road we were on a few minutes ago, you know, lightest throttle coming around a corner and this thing's right out sideways. You definitely want to leave that traction on unless you're in a big open area. And boys got somebody tonight. But I'll tell you, I don't worry about a thing. Out here having a good time. I don't drink alcohol, so you know, that's the big thing. They pull you over, they want to make sure you ain't drinking. And anybody who's unfamiliar with this car, it's completely factory, no modifications at all, except this surprise I got up my sleeve for you guys today. Stay tuned, coming right up. Pretty neat. I think it'll probably put some smiles on. You want to ride? Hello. Yellow.
little bit. I heard the supercharger. Couple horses in there, huh?
Yeah, it's got a little giddy up. Oh yeah. So Nick, everybody watching right now is waiting on the surprise.
What's the surprise?
It's a surprise, and I didn't do it yet because I wanted you to get the same surprise as they get.
Oh, okay.
Cops see us tonight, they're gonna be telling me to take this fucking thing right back to Acton, dude.
They're not gonna want to see this down anymore.
Oh no. Nice too, just like cruising under a light load. You get it like a deep whine out of it. I'll show you here. It's that, something about that light load it really likes.
Yeah.
Speed limit through here?
35.
35. Pretty close. Wow, dude. The fuck was that?
What?
On the side of the road, dead?
Really?
You didn't see that?
No. Go back. See what it is. Is that a deer?
Oh yeah, it is too. Yeah, little deer. Little guy. Looked like a dog for a minute. Just touching it, you know?
Yeah. Just teasing it.
Oh yeah. Time for the surprise. Hope you guys are enjoying Earl Entertainment. Make sure you subscribe. Foggy all of a sudden, isn't it?
A little bit. We're just a little patch.
Yeah. Holy moly.
Everybody's fucking hammered.
Oh yeah. Fucking traction, dude.
Fucking tires are so wide.
Oh yeah. This one's to grab. What's up, buddy?
Yeah.
What a good night.
Yeah. Yeah, good little surprise. I wasn't expecting to do anything, really.
Nice echo in here. They're all down to the club. I'm sure that started a conversation.
Yep.
This guy just pulled out in front of us. This guy pulled out in front of us. He just left the bar. Boy, he's all over the road. Having a hard time keeping it between the mustard and the mayonnaise up here. It's only 8:30. Probably keep our distance from this guy. That's it for tonight, folks. Thanks for joining me. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage, enjoyed the ride. Dixie Horn is all set up, and go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Follow the channel if you want to see some more content like that. We're definitely going to have some more downtown Dixie Horn action. So, till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace.